देखो सिक्स्थ क्वेश्चन है, determine the number of arrangements of letters of word algorithm. The given word is algorithm. Okay. So in algorithm, how many letters are there? See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There are there are 9 letters in the word. Okay. Now see students, the question says determine the number of arrangements of letters of the word algorithm. You have to find the number of arrangements in which these letters can be arranged. Okay. Now after that they are giving some condition. The first one is if vowels are always together, if no two vowels are together, C, consonants are at even positions, D, O is the first and T is the last letter. Now try to understand students. I have here 9 letters. I want you all to be very, very, very attentive. This is a very important question. This is a very important question from exam point of view for your school or college, whatever. At the same time, it is an important question because this makes a type of problem. It is a type of problem. This will teach you many things. So let me now start. They're saying the given word, they're saying determine the number of arrangement of letters of the word algorithm. After that, they have given some condition. Think if they had not given condition. Okay, now I'm adding, there are total 4 questions. I'm now asking you the fifth one. Okay, I'm asking you the fifth one, and the fifth one is, suppose the question had been determine the number of arrangements of the letters of the word algorithm. Determine the number of arrangements of the letters of the word algorithm. That's it. That's it. That's it. And they don't give any condition, no condition. They have simply asked you that in how many ways these letters can be arranged. Now, when they say how many ways these letters can be arranged, they are simply asking us that there are 9 letters and you have to arrange these all 9 letters amongst themselves. You have to arrange all 9 letters amongst themselves. Yes. What does it mean? It means like you have your ALGORITHM. The next would be ALGORITMH, like this. Then ALGORIHMT, ALGORIHTM, and so on, so on, so on. Plenty of arrangements you will get. And what I will call these arrangements to be, I will call them arrangement of 9 letters amongst themselves. What I will call them arrangement of 9 letters amongst themselves. Why? Because I'm having 9 letters and I'm arranging all of them together. All of them. I'm arranging all of them amongst themselves. I'm taking all of them. So this is going to happen in 9p9 ways. This is going to happen in 9p9 ways. That is 9 factorial ways. And students, 9 factorial is a big number. It is a big number. 9 factorial. 9 into 8 into 7 into 5. 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. So 4 factorial is 24. So I can write it. So this is 120, this is 720, this is 540. 5040. 7. This much is 5040 into 8. So you can understand this is 40,320 into 9. It is almost 3,60,000 something. These many arrangements you will have of the letters of the word algorithm. 3,60,000 something. So you can understand. But then remember, this question is not there. What are the first? So what is the first question they're asking? They're asking us to determine the number of arrangement of the letters of the word algorithm if vowels are always together. So here I will write A, and A is vowels are always together. Now, what does that mean? First of all, you need to understand that. What do they mean by writing if the vowels are always together? I hope you all understand what are vowels in English. In English alphabet, we have 5 vowels, that is A, E, I, O, U. These are 5 vowels we have. The rest are consonants. Now, so here, what are the vowels that we have? So in this algorithm, we have the vowels as A, O, R, I'm sorry, A, O, I. We have 3 vowels, A, O, and I. We have 3 vowels, okay? So here I will write this in the, I'm beginning with the answer, so I will write, there are 3 vowels, and what are they? 3 vowels, that is A, O, and I. A, O, and I, okay? Now see students, they are saying vowels are always together. Now when they say the vowels are always together, what they mean is when you are making an arrangement, the arrangement should seem this way. Understand, the arrangement should seem this way. A, O, I, L, G, R, T, H, M. See, this is kind of arrangement they want. You understand? See, this is an arrangement of the letters of the word algorithm. And what is happening? A, O, I. See, the vowels are always together. Please, this is just one arrangement. In the next one, you can have A, O, I, G, L, R, T, H, M. Yes, this is another arrangement. You can have plenty such arrangements. I hope you are following. Not only that, as you have AOI, it could be AIO. Yes, and here like this, you can have plenty of arrangements. I hope you all are following. Are you all following this? Tell me.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So this is what they mean by saying that vowels are always together. They are saying the vowels are always together. Good. So what should I do in order to keep the vowels always together? See, students, you just saw that when I had I had given you an example, you saw that when I arranged all the 9 letters amongst themselves. Okay, when I arranged all the 9 letters, that is, there were no conditions like this. What happened? What happened? I took each letter as an I took each letter as an unit. Yes, each one of them was a separate unit, and that is what I took them as, and I arranged these units amongst themselves. It's like, each one of them is one unit. So there are total 9 units. Now, when you are arranging these all 9 units amongst themselves, any unit can go at any place. Any unit can go at any place. Okay. Any unit can move at any place. There is no compulsion. They can be arranged any ways. They can be arranged any ways. Any unit can move to any other place. This can go here, this can come here, this will go there, this will come here, there. All this can happen. Why? Because there is no condition. They are all independent. But when you want all the vowels together, what you will do, you will make these three vowels as one unit. You will make them as one unit, and the other six letters like G, like L, like R, like T, H, M, you will make these another 6 units. You will make them another 6 units. Now what will happen? Now listen students, this is a single unit. So you will arrange these 6 units amongst themselves. Now don't consider AOI. Don't consider AOI as 3 units. It is one single unit. So now the arrangement will be amongst these 6 units. Are you getting? The arrangement will be in these 6 units. This is L. I'm sorry. The arrangement will be in these 6 units. So wherever it goes, say if I keep AOI between, if I keep, see, if I want, I can take AOI after R. You understand? I can keep AOI after R. If I want, I can keep AOI after R. Yes, it can come here. But remember, when it will go there, it will go as a unit and it will take all the 3 letters AOI between R and T. Yes, it can go anywhere. It can go here. It will go as AOI. It can come here. It can come there, here, there, where. You understand what I'm trying to say? And these all can also move. So this time what we are doing, we are arranging 6 units amongst themselves. See, my dear students, I said here we are arranging here. In the first case, I said we are arranging all 9 letters amongst themselves. But here what I'm going to say, I'm saying that we can arrange these 6 units amongst themselves. Now, when you arrange these 6 units amongst themselves, you will get the all possible arrangement. And remember, in those all possible arrangements, the letters A, O, I, which are vowels, they will always remain together. Tell me, have you followed it? Have you followed it? Tell me.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Anybody has any doubt in this? Any doubt in this? किसी को कुछ पूछना है क्या? There are 3 vowels and 6 consonants. 6 consonants. That is L, G, R, T, H, M. I will write. See here, I write we will take 3 vowels as one unit. 3 vowels as one unit, and we will make it like this: A, O, I. We will take 3 vowels as one unit, and 6 consonants. 6 consonants as 6 units. As 6 units. ओके अभी देखो मैं क्या बोलूंगा. 3 वॉल्स का 1 यूनिट हो गया और 6 कॉन्सोनेंट्स का 6 यूनिट हो गया. तो टोटल कितना यूनिट हो गया? 7. कितना हो गया? 7. देखो ये 1 यूनिट हो गया और ये 6 यूनिट. तो 1 2 3 4 5 6 और 7. यस, ए ओ आई. एक यहाँ पे लिख देते हैं. एक वाला L, G, R, T, H, M. अगर किसी को कुछ कहना है तो फिर क्यों चुप रहना है? अभी कह दो, अभी कह दो. देखो मैं लिखता हूं. These 7 units can be arranged amongst themselves amongst themselves, can be arranged amongst themselves. यहां पे लैग हो रहा है, यहां थोड़ा सा. Can be arranged among themselves in 7p7, that is 7 factorial ways. ठीक है, बहुत अच्छी बात. अब देखो क्या होगा. तुमने ये जो अरेंजमेंट यहां पे तुमने जो लिखा है, तुमने AOI किया, बराबर ना, और ये तुमने 7 यूनिट्स को आपस में अरेंज कर दिया. तुमने ये 7 यूनिट्स को आपस में अरेंज कर दिया, अच्छी बात है. लेकिन एक चीज यहां पे होगा, क्या मालूम है? ये जो तुमको 7 फैक्टोरियल अरेंजमेंट्स मिला है, बात समझने की कोशिश करो. ये जो 7 फैक्टोरियल तुमको अरेंजमेंट मिला है, ये सारे अरेंजमेंट्स में जो वाल्स है ना, वो हमेशा AOI रहेगा, क्योंकि तुमने AOI लिख के किया है ना. समझ में आ रहा है क्या? यस. मतलब देखो अभी कैसा दिख रहा है, अभी दिख रहा है AOI LGRTHM. फिर अगर समझो ये होगा AOI LGRTMH, AOI LGRHMT, AOI LGRMHT, सब जगह. अच्छा, उसके बाद में LAOI, आगे का फिर LGAOI. मतलब ये जहां भी जा रहा है ये AOI जा रहा है. लेकिन मेरे प्यारे बच्चों, ये देखो, ऐसा भी तो हो सकता है ना कि AOI कैन बिकम AIO, इट कैन बिकम AIO, इट कैन बिकम IOA, इट कैन बिकम IAO, इट कैन बिकम OIA. ये भी आपस में अरेंज हो सकता है. यस, ये भी आपस में अरेंज हो सकता है. तो देखो मैं लिखूंगा. तो अभी ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड कि ये जो तुमने किया है, ये जो तुमने किया है, ये हो गया 7 यूनिट्स के लिए. अब देखो मैं क्या लिखता हूं. अब मैं यहां पे आगे लिखूंगा. नाउ आई विल राइट, सी, आई विल राइट, सी, आई विल राइट the three valves can also be arranged, amongst themselves, in 3p3, that is 3 factorial ways. ओके, अब ये हो गया. बात समझने की कोशिश करो. अब सारे अरेंजमेंट्स हो गए. समझ में आ रहा है क्या? अब सारे अरेंजमेंट्स हो गए. AOI थोड़ा सा और डिटेल में जाता हूं, है ना. देखो तुमने लिखा है AOI, ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड. तुमने लिखा है AOI, फिर तुमने लिखा है LGRTHM, बराबर, ठीक है. और अब ये जब तुमने 7 यूनिट्स को, जब तुमने ये 7 यूनिट्स को अरेंज किया, तो तुमको 7 फैक्टोरियल अरेंजमेंट्स मिला. मतलब 5047, मतलब कि ऐसे 5040 तुमको अरेंजमेंट्स मिला. लेकिन याद रखना, ये जो 5040 तुमको अरेंजमेंट मिला है ना, ये सब अरेंजमेंट में जो वाल्स है वो AOI ही दिखेगा. कहने का मतलब जैसे कि देखो यहां पे देखो, ये वाला देखो, इसमें क्या है, LGRTAOIHM. देखो ये ऐसे ही देख रहे हो. इसमें भी तुमको वैसा ही दिख रहा है. इसमें भी वाल्व साथ में है, लेकिन क्या है, इसमें AOI है, इसमें भी AOI है. लेकिन उन लोगों ने क्या बोला है? उन लोगों ने बोला है कि वाल्व साथ में होना चाहिए. उन लोगों ने ऐसा नहीं बोला है कि हमेशा AOI होना चाहिए. मतलब एक अरेंजमेंट ऐसा भी हो सकता है जिसमें IOA है, सबको समझ में आ रहा है क्या मैं बोल रहा हूं?
Yes, sir.
यस यस। तो अभी क्या होगा मालूम है, ये जो 5040 है ना,
Yes, sir.
ये जो 5040 है ना, इस 5040 में से मैंने एक उठाया, कोई भी एक ले लो तुम। देखो अब यहाँ पे फंडामेंटल प्रिंसिपल ऑफ काउंटिंग है, मतलब इस तरह से करने का कितना तरीका है, 7 फैक्टोरियल, इस तरह से 7 फैक्टोरियल है। अभी ये 7 फैक्टोरियल वेज में ये काम हो रहा है, लेकिन उस 7 फैक्टोरियल वेज में से कोई, जब कोई काम एक तरह से हो गया, तो अब दूसरा काम करने का कितना तरीका है, 6 वेज, 6 वेज है। कैसे? देखो ए ओ आई, अभी तुम सिर्फ इसको देखो, सिर्फ इसको देखो, अभी तुम सिर्फ इसको देखो, ये क्या है, ए ओ आई एल जी आर टी एच एम, यस, ये है तुम्हारा ए ओ आई एल जी आर टी एच एम। इसको, ये तुम्हारा ऐसे भी हो सकता है, ए आई ओ एल जी आर टी एच एम, आई ओ ए एल जी आर टी एच एम, आई ए ओ एल जी आर टी एच एम, ओ ए आई एल जी आर टी एच एम, ओ आई ए एल जी आर टी एच एम, और इसके पहले था ए ओ आई एल जी आर टी एच एम। तो तुम देख सकते हो एक के लिए 6 बन रहा है, बोलो बन रहा है कि नहीं बन रहा है? एक
Yes, sir.
एक के लिए 6 बन रहा है, तो दूसरे वाले के लिए भी 6 बनेगा, तीसरे के लिए भी 6 बनेगा, चौथे के लिए भी 6 बनेगा। यस यस। जब ए ओ आई इधर है फर्स्ट में, तो 6 बने। देखो अभी ए ओ आई इधर है, तो इसके लिए भी 6 बनेगा। तो कहने का मतलब, यू कैन डू वन ऑपरेशन in 7 factorial ways. Now, when you have done this operation in any one of the 7 factorial ways, the other operation you can do in 3 factorial ways. So both the operation one after the other you can do in how many ways? 7 factorial into 3 factorial. समझ में आया क्या? बोल दो सब लोग।
Yes,
Yes, sir.
sir.
गणपति बप्पा मोरया। समझ में आ गया तो बहुत अच्छी बात है। तो अब मैं यहाँ पे लिखूंगा therefore the total number of arrangements, therefore the total number of arrangements, total number of arrangements where the vowels are always together is 7 factorial into 3 factorial, that is 5040 into 6, that is equal to 600, 6 fours are 24, and this 30,240. Come on, copy this, all of you. Now the second case is no two vowels. The same question, the second case. Okay. I'm sorry, I will not write 2 here. I will write B. What I will write? I will write B here. So the second case is no two vowels are together. What was the first case, students? The first case was when the vowels are always together. Here, no two vowels are together. So here you learnt a concept. I told you that this problem will teach you a lot. So here you learnt a concept that what to do when you have certain things to be kept always together. What we will do, the idea is you will make a unit of those things. Now you have to go for another concept. What to do when certain type of things are to be always kept away from each other. They are not together. So see what I will do. How many vowels I have? I have 3 vowels. See, they are saying no two vowels are together. So it means, and there are 6 consonants. So it has to be something like this. See, L, G, R, T, H, M. These are consonants. And where should the vowels be? Vowels should be anywhere here, anywhere here. The vowel should be anywhere here. The vowels can be, there are three vowels, A, I, O. There are three vowels. Now these three vowels, these three vowels can be anywhere, anywhere here, anywhere here, anywhere in these 7 places. Okay, there are 7 places. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So if these three vowels you keep at any three of these 7 places, try to understand. There are 7 places, but you need to keep these three vowels at any three of the 7 places. For example, you decided to keep here, here, and here. So is that solving the purpose? I write A, I, O. Is that solving the purpose? Yes, yes. Then when you decide to do it this way, the arrangement that you will get will be L, G, A, R, T, I, H, M, O. Check. This is one arrangement of the 9 letters, and the vowels are not together. See, the vowels are not together. That is how you can arrange it. You can arrange at any three of the 7 places. Tell me, students, are you getting this concept? Have you all
Yes,
followed this
sir.
concept? Yes,
Yes, sir.
yes, yes. Good. If you have a question, you can always ask, you can always say. So here, I'm writing two vowels are not together. So see, how do I do it? I will write here for for this, for this we will, for this we will arrange arrange 6 consonants. For this we will first, let me write with some other color. I missed that word. We will first arrange 6 consonants amongst themselves, amongst themselves. Yes, this can be done amongst themselves, which can be done in 6p6, that is 6 factorial ways. Okay, now try to understand what is being said here. Students, this particular statement says that the 6 consonants you have, L, G, R, T, H, M, these 6 consonants that you have, you will arrange these 6 consonants amongst themselves. First, you arrange these consonants amongst themselves. Yes, you arrange them amongst themselves. So 6 factorial is 720. So you will get 720 of arrangements of these 6 consonants. Now I know what you are thinking. You are thinking, sir, where are the vowels? Just wait, just wait. We are going for the first step. The first step is I'm arranging all these 6 consonants amongst themselves. That is, see, I got L, G, R, T, H, M. The next one would be L, G, R, T, M, H. The next would be LGRHMT, like this. Like this, I will have 720 arrangements of consonants. Yes. Now try to get this. See, from these 720 arrangements of, like here I have LGRTHM. Okay, now these 720 arrangements of 6 consonants you have 720 arrangements of these 6 consonants. You pick any one out of these. Pick any one out of these. So for example, let me pick this one up. So when I pick this one up, see here, I have LGRTHM. Yes. Now, beside each letter in this arrangement. See, I'm talking about the first one, you know, and this is the 720th one. This is the 720th one. I'm taking the first one, second one, third one. Like this, I have 720. That is 6 factorial. I'm taking the first one. See, now in this, beside each letter, there are 2 blank places. See, beside L, there are 2. Beside G also, there are 2 blank places like this. I mark these blank places by X. I mark them by cross. Okay, let me mark them by cross. Now I understand the 3 vowels which I have. The 3 vowels which I have. What were they? A, O, I. What I understand, if I can arrange these 3 vowels at any 3 of these 7 places, if I can arrange these 3 vowels at any 7 of these 3 places, then these 3 vowels are never together. These 3 vowels, none of 2 will be together. Yes. And that can be done in, see, what are you doing? You are having 3 letters to be arranged at 7 places. Okay, so that can be done in 7p3 ways. It can be done in how many ways? 7p3 ways. So you can just see that for first one, you have 7p3 arrangements. What is 7p3 equal to? My dear students, 7p3 is 7 factorial upon 7 minus 3 factorial. That is equal to 7 factorial upon 4 factorial. That is 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 factorial into 4 factorial upon 4 factorial. This is gone. The answer is 210. So what I'm trying to tell you is that for the first one, please, for the first one, you have 210 arrangements. कहने का मतलब क्या है? जैसे कि देखो, तुमने ये जो A है, ये A समझो तुमने इधर रख दिया, ये O और ये I, ठीक है? तो ये फर्स्ट वन के लिए ये एक हो गया. अच्छा, फिर बाद में तुमने क्या किया? तुमने इधर A रखा, इधर O रखा और I इधर रखा. पहले इसमें I था, I इधर रखा, तो ये फर्स्ट वन वाले के लिए सेकंड हो गया. अच्छा, फिर तुमने क्या किया? फिर तुमने I इधर रखा, देखो तीसरा हो गया. फिर तुमने फिर I इधर रखा, A और वो उधर ही है, I इधर आ गया. फिर तुमने, अच्छा देखो, जब जब कोई एक X, जहां पे तुमने X मार्क किया है ना, जब वहां पे तुम कुछ नहीं रखोगे तो क्या होगा? तो कुछ नहीं होगा. तो G और R आसपास में होंगे. जैसे यहाँ पे तुमने क्या किया है? यहाँ पे तुमने क्या किया? यहाँ पे तुमने L और G के बीच में O रख दिया है, तो L और G के बीच में O दिखेगा. यहाँ पे अगर समझो तुमने I जो है यहाँ पे रख दिया, तो क्या होगा? तो G, R, T, H, M सब साथ में दिखेंगे. और वो अरेंजमेंट फाइनली कैसा दिखेगा? वो ऐसा दिखेगा. वो दिखेगा A, L, O, G, R, T, H, M, T, H, M, I. वो ऐसा दिखेगा. बोलो भाई, बात समझ में आ रही है क्या सबको?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
यस सर. देखा परम्यूटेशन कैसा टॉपिक है? परम्यूटेशन बहुत जबरदस्त टॉपिक है. इसीलिए मैं चाहता हूं कि मेरे सारे स्टूडेंट्स को ना परम्यूटेशन, मेरे सारे स्टूडेंट्स को जो इजियर पार्ट ऑफ परम्यूटेशन है ना, वो सबको सोचने और समझने आना चाहिए. दिस मेक्स यू अ वेरी ब्राइट मैथमेटिक्स स्टूडेंट. This will make you a very bright, very smart mathematics student. It will make. तो देखो, अब मैं इसका आंसर लिखता हूं. तो देखो, जैसे कि फर्स्ट वाले का मेरे को 210 मिलेगा, फर्स्ट वाले का. तो ऐसे ही सेकंड वाले का भी 210 मिलेगा और 720th का भी 210 मिलेगा. तो कहने का मतलब क्या हो गया? यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है? आई कैन डू दिस थिंग इन 720 ways. And then after this thing, when this thing can be done in any one of the 720 ways, I can do another thing in 210 ways. So both the things, one after the other, can be done in how many ways? It can be done in 720 into 210 ways. So now I will write my answer All of you check this out. All of you check this out. So here I have my answer. I will write here. See, I write it can be done in 6 factorial root, that is 720. Now I write beside each consonant, there are two blank places. There are two blank places marked by X. Okay. In total, there are 7 blank places. There are 7 blank places. Okay. If the three vowels A, O, I can be arranged at any three of these 7 blank places, then no two vowels will be together. If the three vowels AOI can be arranged at any three of these 7 blank places, then no two okay, it is continued. This statement is continued here. Please make sure. Then no two vowels will be together. No two vowels will be together. This can be done in 7p3 ways. See, there are 7 places and you are arranging 3 vowels in 7 places. So you can do this in 7p3 ways. So you will write therefore 7p3 ways. Therefore, the total number of arrangements, total number of such arrangements equals to, by fundamental principle of multiplication, such arrangements by, वो भी लिख देता हूं मैं बस, by fundamental principle नहीं लिखा तो भी चलेगा, multiplication equals to is what it is, 6 factorial into 7p3, that is 720 into 210. ये मल्टीप्लाई करो और आंसर लिखो. 720 into 210 कितना होगा? 151,200. देखो नंबर्स जब बहुत बड़े आएंगे ना तो उनको ऐसे ही छोड़ देने का, जैसे फैक्टोरियल में ही छोड़ देने का. लेकिन जभी जैसे 1 लाख 2 लाख तक आता है तो चलेगा, है ना. 3 डिजिट इंटू 3 डिजिट उतना कोई बड़ा नहीं. लेकिन अगर समझो यहाँ पे तुम्हारे पास में 5 डिजिट्स है, यहाँ पे 6 डिजिट्स है, तो मल्टीप्लाई करने का जरूरत नहीं. इनफैक्ट अगर समझो यहाँ पे समझो 9 फैक्टोरियल होता तो मैं नहीं लेता, है ना. 6 फैक्टोरियल तक चलता है, 6 फैक्टोरियल तक चलता है. यहाँ पे अगर 7 फैक्टोरियल होता तो भी मैं छोड़ देता, क्यों? क्योंकि वो 7 फैक्टोरियल जो है वो 4 डिजिट्स है। हाँ, अगर समझो यहाँ पे 7 फैक्टोरियल है और यहाँ पे सिर्फ सिंगल डिजिट है तो मैं ले लूंगा। ओके, चलो इसको कॉपी करो सब लोग जल्दी, फटाफट फटाफट।